And we are back with one brave little boy's story and a method involving mice that appears to have saved his life.
The New Jersey 9-year-old has been battling cancer for years. The outlook wasn't looking good until a test that finally proved to be a breakthrough. News 4's Roseanne Coletti has the story.
Welcome to Casa de Michael.
9-year-old Michael Feeney is spunky, talkative, loves sports, and is battling a rare form of bone cancer since the age of 6. But he's one lucky, unlucky kid. Due to some unorthodox measures involving mice, Michael's tumors are shrinking, the cancer cells dying.
We were thrilled. I mean, it's just what we wanted to hear, that there was something out there, if we needed it, that worked on his specific tumor.
Like you see, right now I feel, really good.
Jill Feeney says the cancer forced a shoulder blade replacement, and her son has been in and out of chemo at Memorial Sloan Kettering. But when the cancer recently reoccurred, the boy's parents dared do what most cannot. They paid a lab to inject mice, similar to this one, with pieces of their son's tumors to see which drug combinations, if any, would work on the mice. One did, and later on Michael too. His oncologist tells us, had he not received this therapy or had it not worked, I'm not certain he would still be with us today. The methods used on Michael highlight something very telling. There's a growing belief among researchers that the best way to treat cancer is to customize treatment to the patient's genetic makeup. What may be saving the little boy's life is not without side effects or cost. The youngster's hands are covered with an itchy rash, and one that was so painful on his feet he had to rely on a wheelchair to get around. The lab work that identified the healing formula totaled $25,000, not covered by insurance.
We had a rainy day fund, and this is what you do. You have the money in the bank, and, the worst that could happen is you lose the money. The best that could happen is he's cured from cancer, and we saw papers saying if it works for him, try it on other kids, and that's how the cures happen.
Michael has lost his hair again, and he's tired after treatment. But he still manages to do well in school and play town soccer and lacrosse. He remains a beacon of optimism with a child's impatience.
When is this going to go away? I just want to be done with this and go back to a normal life.
Roseanne Coletti, News 4, New York.
Fancy dance steps.
Yeah, a brave kid, but also brave parents take that chance.
Yes, exactly.
All right.